Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra. And on this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over how you would replace your cabin air filter. So this is the passenger side of the vehicle, and that's where you'll access the cabin air filter. So you've got your glove box here, you got down up under here, and that's where the cover is going to be able to get it. So it's really right in the middle of the center console. And you're going to make sure you practice your yoga when you do this, because you basically have to get on your back, reach up in here, pull it out, and then put the new one in. So up here you're going to see there's this cover here. You just got to pull the so just pull the clip and pull it off like that, and then you're going to see on your filter there's a little tab here, and what you're going to do, you're going to pull down on that because the filter is up in there, so you got to kind of squeeze by pulling down on here. It's compressing the filter so that you can pull it out. So that's the filter has been removed from there. You see the size of that hole, and you see the size of that filter, and that's why it's got to kind of smash and compress to be able to pull it out. So we're going to get a new one. So here we've got the new one, and you see this this tab here. This you're going to want to make sure you keep on this side toward the passenger side, and if you keep and up, so that when you go to remove it again, you can pull down to scrunch this to be able to get it out. And so we have our new filter here, and also with this tab, that way you're going to have the airflow going toward the back of the vehicle, because that's the way the airflow goes. So to get this back in there, you're going to have to do the same, where you got to kind of smash it. So if you just kind of crease it in like that and press it in through the hole, and then you'll do the same on this and get it up in there, and then you should be good to go. We have our hole right there. And again, squeeze this side. And so it's in there, sitting in there like that. And so if you just squeeze the two ends and press it in, you can press it in, and that's in there. And then just put your cover plate back on. Just get the top to tab in, and then snap your cover on like that. And so that's how you replace your cabin air filter on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.